Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Let me know if you want to see any more skating videos because I actually enjoy making this. Enjoy. I'm announcing the winner of the giveaway at the end of the video, so make sure you watch to the end. Basically, I've had this board set up for a while. Or just the grip. Looks pretty sick. I got these bearings yesterday. I've been waiting for this package, which has my wheels, and it also has some other stuff. And then I'm going to set up my board. See our first package here. Got some active socks. Got a week's worth. We got another week's worth of active socks. We got ourselves a active sticker with a 10% off coupon. And damn, we got all the wheels in one package. We got 4 sets of wheels there. And then we got myself a skate bag. Put all my stuff in there. So that was the unboxing. I'm about to go skate Chaffey right now. I don't know if you can hear me. Friends might be there. So that's cool too. I don't think anyone's here. Doesn't look like it. Looks like we're skating alone today. I might call Daniel though. I'm gonna try to film some tricks right now. God, I suck at nollies. I'm gonna try a kickflip real quick. The board is super grippy. I'm gonna do that again. That was really sketchy. It's getting really hot. Woo! All right, now I'm gonna go for half cab flip. That one counted, but I'm gonna do it again. God, it's too sketchy. All right, that one was good. I think now I'm gonna try to do some grinds on this curb right here. Got ourselves our custom chicken soda made wax on the merch store now. Just kidding, I don't have a merch store. Finally got it somewhat. I'm gonna call Daniel, see if he wants to come over right now.
Are you recording? Wait. Alright, that's it.
You just threw my board on the ground.
Yes.
So rude. Shake that afro. Shake that afro.
Shake my ass.
Shake the afro. Shake it. Woo! Alright, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? Now that we're at the end of the video, we're going to be doing the 200 sub giveaway. As you can see here, I have everyone's names on this list. And we're going to spin it, and we're going to see who wins. Click to spin. I'm scared. Alright, Daniel's doing it. Let's see who it is. I swear if it's Daniel or Jake. And it's Jocelyn! I spelled your name wrong. But I feel bad. I spelled your name wrong. Alright, Jocelyn, congratulations. You won the giveaway.